Hey, it's Sparky. Today's video, I'm going to talk about hanging this transformer up in the air. I did a video recently of just showing it on paper and how to lay it out and kind of with the pieces and parts. So here's an actual transformer that I did hang, and this thing weighed about, I think it was 550 or 560 pounds, I'm not really sure. But we did it with just two of us. A lot of preparation and planning. So there's our first picture, and we still have it on the pallet, getting ready to disconnect it from that before we put it on our jack hoist. Here I've got the all threads that are dropped down with my unistrut supports running across the steel rafters up above. So we basically had to take a measurement of everything and get that all laid out there. It's kind of a bad shot of the bolt going through. I think the next picture is a little bit better. We'll head on over to that one here. So I've put a piece of 3/8 all thread through the top and the bottom of this joist, and we did lock washers on the top and on the bottoms of the nuts. In this particular case, the lock washers are up on top up there. Now we've got this thing taken off the pallet jack or off the pallet, and we've got it on the lift. This lift has the capability of lifting 1,000 pounds. Even because of the height of it, I think we went up above 12 feet to the bottom of the transformer. I put a support strap up on top, which I kept cinching up as we went along, so every 4 feet I think I went ahead and tightened it up some more to just kind of give us a little bit more security. Here's that strap coming down. We've got our unistrut running across here, ready to hang. This might be a little bit of an optical illusion, this sprinkler pipe here, but it's actually on the back side. So here we've got it up in the air. I can't really say for sure. It's probably around 8 feet at this point. We went ahead and got it up to its height, and the other guy started putting in the nuts and the bolts and spring washers and stuff like that to put it along the bottom feet of that transformer. You can see how up here I've got my strap running across. What I did was I put a piece of unistrut in there, one to give support to the top of the transformer, and the other gave me a little bit more rounded edge there. So this thing weighs a lot, and it was somewhat scary lifting it up there, but I didn't want that lip cutting that strap, so this is a nice round corner there versus just the sharp top of that. Just another view. We've just about got it bolted up to the feet of the transformer there, getting ready to drop that lift down. We had a little clearance problem. We were pretty close on this, and we knew that we would be. So while we still had the jack underneath it, we went ahead and moved these all threads over a little bit to give it a little bit of space between the side of the transformer and that rafter, and that's mainly for vibration. If that thing ended up hitting that rafter, it could be vibrating and make a lot of noise, and we don't want that. Here it is. We've taken the jack down, and it's ready to be wired. All in all, it really only took maybe an hour to go ahead and hang it, but it's all the prep work, all the pieces and parts and cutting, and you'll see my all threads are a little bit longer. I did that intentionally because I didn't know exactly what our height needed to be on this. We had a little bit of variance between the ceiling and ductwork and stuff, so in case I needed to bring that down a little bit lower, I had that option, but it turned out that we just left it right where it's at and cut those all threads off. Now this isn't this is the final picture, but it's not the final product. I came back later and put a piece of strut across the bottom over here and supported my flexes going down into the panels with straps, so it'd look a little bit neater and a little bit more secure on it. You'll see that I have my metallic bond up here on the rafter, and I don't remember exactly our spacing up here, but we had almost I'm not really sure, maybe 8 to 10 inches, maybe even 12 up above the roof or up above the transformer. So just to look at what it takes to hang one of these transformers, a lot of planning. That's all I can tell you guys, is a lot of planning. You don't want to get it up there in the air and then start cutting and try and fit pieces and parts. Take all of your measurements, get it all cut, all your all threads hung, ready to go, and all your unistruts cut, ready to go, with all your pieces and parts laying around. Thanks for watching today, and hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.